Hey everyone! Before we get started, let's feature today's juice recipe. Today's recipe is a papaya juice that I called Cloud 9. This juice has papaya, orange, celery, and green apple. This juice comes from my menu of over 27 juices and wellness shots. If you haven't already, head over to the website shared here by clicking the link in the description box so you will be notified when I drop my first ebook of juice recipes that will help you heal your body from the inside out. Now, let's get into the video. If you know anything about my brand, you know that it is important to me to source locally when I can. So much to my delight, I saw this truck had pitched a tent on the side of the road. I was able to get a watermelon, which I'll share in another video, and some yellow mangoes or honey mangoes. Today's juice recipe is going to be yellow mango and papaya. I'm going to share with you how yellow mangoes differ from regular mangoes. First, the color. The first difference is that yellow mangoes have a completely yellow skin when they're ripe, while traditional mangoes have green or red skin. 2, the shape and the skin. Yellow mangoes are smaller than their big brother mango with a longer shape compared to other types. They're also more slender and have a slightly curved tip. 3, texture and taste. Yellow mango has a smoother skin, non-fibrous, rich tropical taste and texture comparatively, whereas green or red mangoes have a slightly rougher texture. Number 4, seed size. Yellow mangoes typically have a smaller seed size compared to other varieties, which means that they have a higher flesh to seed ratio, which means you're going to get to eat more of the actual mango. 5 and 6, availability and season. While they are available in most parts of the world, they may be more limited compared to other types of mangoes. Depending on the region, yellow mangoes have a distinct harvesting season, usually spring and summer months. All right, so we are back with another taste test. This is papaya and yellow mango, and let's see how it tastes. Oh, so good. So good. Literally love. I think this is great. I would definitely have to rate this probably a 9 out of 10. I think some ginger would be like chef's kiss, but I probably won't be adding it to the menu simply because yellow mango is not something that I have all the time, so I could substitute out the regular yellow mango with regular mango and I could probably make this work, but it would still have to be a seasonal option because papaya is not available all the time. So there's that. But it is so good, sweet, and good for you. Definitely recommend. Get you some. So good. It's also a little bit thicker, like it's like a thicker textured drink, but not too thick. Does that make sense? So I think it's like perfect springtime drink. So, okay.